So having identified your strengths and talents in the previous stage, here we're going to focus now on how do your strengths and talents support you in your current stressful situation? How can I use my strengths as a resource to help me rise to that challenge? How can I start to think differently about this situation? What can I do that will reduce the risk to my personal values? And how can I change my self-talk? So again, going back to the illustration that I used, the example of the person who'd been asked to pick up another piece of work. If you felt that it was your reputation that was at risk, perhaps what you do is start to think of it more as seeing it as, first of all, the strengths we've got. Well, our strengths are probably logical processing, a structured approach, that attention for kind of detail. So therefore, it's perhaps we can see it as an opportunity to set the standard. If it was time being wasted, not working towards your own outcomes, then we could perhaps view it as maybe gaining experience that could be helpful to us in the future. An opportunity perhaps for perspective taking, seeing things that other people do, understanding more about other people's role. And again, the strengths that we've got, we're probably very good at working under pressure and rising to a challenge. Choice was what you felt was at risk for you. Well, perhaps we've got some choices to where we do it, how we do it. We opportunity to do something different, and again to use our creative problem solving talents. Was risk of letting other letting other people down, then we can focus on the fact that we're helping a colleague here. Remind ourselves of all the similar work that we've done, all the strengths and talents that we've used previously in that similar work that can help us at the moment. We can think about how we've made other people feel by helping them and how we felt ourselves when we've actually helped other people.